So to remove a background from the image, first thing, go to remove.bg. I'm guessing the BG stands for background. Remove image background 100% automatically and free. And you know what? It is. Also, I'm not affiliated with this company, in case you thought I was. I'm not. It's just a great tool that I wish everyone knew how to use. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find you some images. All right, so I've got some pictures here. Picture of a car. Okay, so drag and drop it. Let it upload. There's the image. Oh, background gone. Look at that. The background is gone. Go to the original. That's the original. There's a car in the background. There's houses. There's everything. Removed image. In fact, the car that you could see through the window. You can see the window there. Sorry, you can see the wheel of a BMW behind the Merc. And look, it's gone. How good is that? Let me show you though. I'm going to do another one. So to upload another image, you simply find the image you want on your computer. There you go, another image of a car. I'll show you some more images in a moment, just in case you thought I was faking it. It only works with cars. It doesn't. Look at that, gone again. Original, removed. Yeah, original. Look, all of this is gone. This is fantastic. This would have taken me quite a bit of effort if I used it in another tool. I'm going to find you another image. Here we go, at camera roll. Let's find a picture of me. Okay, picture of me. These are all the pictures I use. Oh, look at that. These are all the pictures I use for my thumbnails. There's the original. The whole background's gone. Okay, that is how it works. Now I'm going to show you one where it didn't work as well because I have practiced this. Okay, this image here. Okay, and there you go. Right, the skateboard stayed there. Okay, so this is the original. I'm looking all menacing. Remove background, the skateboard is still there, but don't worry. Go to edit. You've got erase and restore. Erase, okay, you've got your eraser brush now. This. Delete this. I feel under pressure recording this and doing it. There we go, done. And then if we click on download again. Got the image. There we go. There's no background. How amazing is that? Okay, so there's no background. If I was to, there you go. I'm going to find another image and let's have a look. Which one will go for that image there? Okay, there's me. What else can you do though? You can edit it and you can apply backgrounds to it. So there I am, out in the wilderness. There I am at some, I don't know what that is. I'm talking about things I don't know. This looks, I had a dream about this when I got taken away by UFOs. You get the idea. Click download, download the image. There is the image, done. Use that in your next Christmas card or something. But just to go back to the original point, remove.bg, that's the website. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video and comment. I've had someone comment and say that they're so thankful for my videos that they want to kiss me on the head. Look, I'm not saying you have to leave comments like that, but it was very much appreciated. Anyway, happy removing backgrounds from images.